So therefore D is equal to modulus of C1 minus C2 divided by square root of A square plus B square. This is the formula to find the distance between the parallel line. Now D is equal to 65 divided by 13. So when you cancel it, you will get D is equal to 5. So this is the distance of a given point from a given line. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is Shruti lecturing in Vidyashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysore. So in previous session, we have learned how to derive an expression for distance of a point from a line, which is a very important question for 5 marks as I said, and distance of two parallel lines. That is D is equal to modulus of C1 minus C2 divided by square root of A square plus B square. So this is the expression of distance between two parallel lines. Now we'll take few problems on it. Find the distance of the point 3, minus 5 from the line 3x minus 4y minus 26 is equal to 0. So all this question carries 1 mark or 2 mark. So now we know the formula. What is the formula? D is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. So this is the formula. List out all the values. See the equation. A is 3, b is minus 4, c is minus 26. x1 is 3, y1 is minus 5. So substitute this. D is equal to a value is 3, x value is 3. Next b value is minus 4, y1 value is minus 5. C value is minus 26. Next, square root of A square is 3 square, 9. B square is 4 square, which is 16. Now, D is equal to 9 plus 20 minus 26 divided by 9 plus 16 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. And here we have modulus 29 minus 26. That is 3 by 5. And the modulus of 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. So distance is equal to 3 by 5. So one more question. Find the distance of a point minus 1, 1 from the line 12 into x plus 6 is equal to 5y minus 2. First let me convert it into general form. So we have 12x plus 6, 5y minus 2. So 12x plus 72 is equal to 5y minus 10 or 12x minus 5y plus 72 plus 10 is equal to 0. 12x minus 5y plus 82 is equal to 0. Now write the values of A, B, C. A is equal to 12, B is equal to minus 5, C is equal to 82. x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to 1. What is the formula? D is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c over square root of a square plus b square. Substitute it now. What is the value of a? 12 into minus 1 minus 5 into 1 plus c is 82 divided by a square is 12 square, 144. B square is minus 5 whole square, which is 25. So square root of 144 plus 25. Now distance D is equal to 12 into minus 1 minus 12 minus 5 into 1 minus 5 plus 82 we have 82. Divided by square root of 169. Now D is equal to 65 divided by 13. So when you cancel it, you will get D is equal to 5. So this is the distance of a given point from a given line. Next question. Find the points on the x-axis whose distances from the line is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 are 4 units. So here the distance is given and the line is given, that is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. I need to calculate the point on the x-axis. So let point on x-axis B, A comma 0, because on x-axis y coordinate is 0. Now I need to find the value of A, that is the coordinate. I use distance formula again. For distance formula, I need to calculate the value of A, B, C. Now this is in the intercept form. Let me convert it into general form. So I have given this is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Take the LCM and multiply, which is 12. So it is 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. So this implies 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now according to this, value of A is 4, value of B is 3, value of C is minus 12. Also using this point, x1 is equal to A and y1 is equal to 0. Use the formula. D is equal to Ax1 plus By1 plus C divided by square root of A square plus B square. Now we have distance is equal to, so what is A, B, C? Now A4, B3, C is minus 12. So 4 into A plus 3 into 0 minus 12 divided by 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. Now distance is given as 4. So this is 4A minus 12 divided by 5 modulus. Now multiply this, or if you remove the modulus here, this is 4 is equal to plus or minus 4A minus 12 divided by 5. So or you can write this as 20 is equal to plus or minus 4A minus 12. So separate this equation. One is 20 is equal to 4A minus 12 and another is 20 is equal to minus 4A plus 12. Now separate this equation. One equation is 4A minus 12 is equal to 20 and another equation is minus 4A minus 12. Minus 4A minus 12 is equal to 4. So solve this, you will get 4A is equal to 32. So therefore A is equal to 8. Here you have minus 4A plus 12 is equal to 4, or minus 4A plus 12 goes that side, it becomes minus 12, which is minus 8. So therefore A is equal to 2. So therefore the point on x-axis, is one is 8, 0 or 2, 0 and minus 4A minus 12 is equal to 20. So solve this, you will get 4A is equal to 32 and here you will get minus 4A plus 12 is equal to 20 or minus 4A is equal to 8. So solving this, therefore here A is equal to 8 you will get and here you will get A is equal to minus 2. So therefore the point on x-axis are, one is 8, 0 and another one is minus 2, 0. So these are the points which is having a distance of 4 units for the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Next we have find the distance between the parallel lines 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Since two lines are parallel, the constant value, that is A and B value, will be same, only C1 and C2 differs. So therefore the formula is C1 minus C2 by square root of A square plus B square. Now what is the value of C1? 7. You can take C2 is 5 divided by 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So it is 2 by 5, modulus 2 by 5. So therefore the distance D is equal to 2 by 5 units. Next we have find the distance between the parallel lines 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equal to 0 and 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equal to 0. Again the value of A and B will be same, only C1 and C2 differs. So therefore D is equal to modulus of C1 minus C2 divided by square root of a square plus b square. This is the formula to find the distance between the parallel line. Value of C1 is minus 34, value of C2 is plus 31. So distance is equal to C1 is minus 34 and C2 is 31 divided by a square is 15 square, which is 225, plus b square is 8 square, which is 64 square root modulus, which is minus 34 minus 31 is minus 65 divided by 225 plus 64. Now this is square root of 289. Now since you have negative, you can write it as positive. So the distance will be equal to 65 divided by, what is the square root of 289? It is 17. So the answer for this is 65 by 17 units. So yes, in today's session, we have found the distance between a point and a line as well as the distance between two parallel lines using the formulas. Yes, this completes the chapter straight lines. So very important chapter for 11 marks in your examination. Keep watching the videos. Focus on the concepts. I'll meet you in the next session with the new chapter. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.